Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. Today we are doing an unboxing. It's not a gameplay video, it's an unboxing video. So what are we unboxing? This baby right here. The Cooler Master Liquid ML240L V2 RGB, and that's a mouthful of words. But this is a CPU cooler that is good for cooling a higher core chip, like for 8 core to 16 core, all those, and all in the middle. So this is like a it's not gonna cool with the highest end, but it will be able to cool like a good 8 core, 6 core, 8 core, and 10 core most probably. That if you want to check out what are the cooling statistics, I suggest you check out the test videos. But we are gonna see what this contains. This is the box. I just took out the plastic cover. So we are gonna check out what comes in this box. All right, so that's what we're gonna do now. So anyway, if you look at here, you can see this is the version 2, not the version 1. This is the version 2. That's why the cooler has a different design than the version 1. I'll put up the image right now about version 1 image. It's a completely different. The cooler, the pump looks different also. Like overall aesthetics, it looks different. I don't know what else this looks is different. I will be putting those up on the screen also. If not, it'll be written yeah, no, something like that. So it has this two 120mm fans that are gonna cool the radiator that is gonna be pumped by this CPU block slash pump. So this is gonna be a standard 240 rad. That's a simple like pop. That's good. Here so that doesn't fly away. Let's see. It's the things you should not eat. Let's put that there. And we have, before we pick out the cooler, we're gonna check out what are the other things that are available in this box. Okay, so here's the CPU standoffs. These are the CPU standoffs. There's a bit of thermal paste there. I see screws. I see cable, a lot of cables, especially to connect the fan and everything into the pump and all into the system. Is that the RGB? Yeah, that's the RGB controller. Yeah, this is basically I'll show you. This is basically all the stuff you are needed to connect your cooler to your CPU. So let's put that here. Then we have the 120mm rad. Before that, there are some warranty information right there. So these are 120mm sickle flow Cooler Master fans that run up to 1800 RPM. This looks big. Wait, look at this. That's huge. So there are two because it's a 240mm. So that's if you come at this is 240, 120 plus 120, 240. So that's two fans. Okay, so next is the here. Then let's take out the pump and the rad together. So this is the pump and the radiator that is gonna cool down. Let me just do one thing. So this is the pump and the radiator. Oh, I have to be very careful. I don't want to damage this thing. So that's a thick fin stack. You can see through it. You can see through it, but yeah, it's very small. That's good. And here's the pump. There's the pump on the other side. It has two controllers like leading out. I will check out what these controllers are and what they do. And you can see here it doesn't have thermal paste on the bottom. So what we're gonna do is because I didn't guess this would happen, but thank God I guessed I bought this, but I did buy a good thermal paste for hard applications. So, when the applications are hard. So where did that go? I placed this so many by. I think this is on the fell down. Hello? Oh yeah, here it is. Let's see here. Is the Cryonaut thermal grizzly Cryonaut. This thing is super uber awesome for CPU cooling. And this, I think this will be what I will be using for that system. So yeah, and this will be this is part of the PC build that is already out. You might have seen the live build already. The piece is already built, This is just the like unboxing of the parts. The now it's the cooler. So we'll be doing the unboxing for both the CPU that this cooler is gonna cool and the GPU. Check those videos out when they come out. And thank you for watching. If you like this video, guys, please hit the like button. Please hit the like button. Subscribe, hit the notification bell icon to get notified of the other videos that are gonna come, after this one, the rest of the unboxings. And yeah, thank you for watching. And also, if you have any doubts, put in the comments below. I will immediately answer them. Any doubts based on the PC build I'm gonna do here, or the PC parts, or the or doubts on the PC build that I did. You can ask any doubts in the comments right below. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you all soon in another video. Peace out.